Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening. Um, Welcome to eazygurus.com. Okay, so first of all, let me share my screen first. Okay, hope you all able to see my desktop. Right. So this is a full stack Java training. Okay. So first of all, and one more time, thank you all for joining this demo session through eazygurus.com. Okay, thank you all again. Okay, let me introduce myself first. This is Murthy. I have 25 plus years of IT experience in IT industry. I played many different roles since beginning of my career. I started join as a associate engineer and I contributed many development works. So I started my career with Java and even till today also I'm continuing the same career. So then you can imagine the power of Java, right? If anybody is continuing the same skill set for these many long number of years, that's really we can we can say that that's really a fantastic language, no doubt about it. Okay. Anyway, coming to my related details, as I mentioned, and I have like 25 plus years of IT experience. And coming to the, I played with almost all the latest and greatest versions of all the Java libraries and Java technologies. Since almost last 6 years, I'm working as a senior architect in one of the MNC in Hyderabad. That's my professional experience. And coming to the training experience. Yeah, since beginning, actually, I'm very much passionate about um, providing the trainings. So that is the reason actually I parallelly continued my career as a trainer. As and when I get a chance, I used to exhibit my skills to explain the Java concepts in different training programs. And most of the times, actually, I made my sort of experience trainings for online. Yeah, of course, these days, actually, I'm providing offline trainings as well in different companies. As and when I used to get the requirement, I used to contribute my trainings. So I would say that in almost like more than 500 batches I have delivered till today, both offline and online across the globe. Okay, that is about my training experience, guys. And coming to the syllabus, the course details. As I mentioned, this is a full stack Java training, also called as nowadays people are mentioning this as a FSJ, full stack Java, right? Okay, so this is like a 3.5 months course, right? 3.5 months course. And this is every day we have one class, every day 1 hour, right? Every day 1 hour class. And we have classes from Monday to Friday. Generally, no classes on the weekends because that is intentionally we are leaving those 2 days for the practice because majority of my students are working people. They usually working office all the day, right? I'm sure they don't really get a time to practice on that. So maybe with respect to the students, of course, they usually get time. But anyway, but considering all these scenarios, actually, I always skip Saturday and Sundays as holidays, not holidays, for the practice time. You can think like that. So we do have like classes from Monday to Friday. This is an IST I'm talking about. Okay. So these are the class timings every day 1 hour. That 1 hour will decide. So based on like crowd and registrations coming to easy gurus, like accordingly we schedule the classes accordingly, right? Based on the requirements and all. So once you registered the course, like we will share recordings, right? So this is lifetime recordings, lifetime in the sense like there will be a span. Probably will get to know once you get onto the demo on this. So in case if you miss any session, like probably uh, these recordings will be more helpful, right? By looking at these videos, like in case if you miss anything, like you can go through video and you can get up to the speed for the next sequence of the video, right? So not only recordings, actually, I'm going to share all the notes, whatever I'm sharing here, and then whatever projects, examples, whatever we are doing that. So everything we get shared. So once you register, like you probably will share one shared folder in the Google Drive and keep sharing all the files and recordings there. So that's the model we do follow, and my sessions are completely a practical oriented sessions, guys. Okay, many of my students are really settled well and they are doing very good positions. Uh, yeah, I just want to share that experience as well. They keep touch with, in case if any sort of technical issues. So, I used to keep touch base with all the folks. So, because why I'm telling this fact is like, majority of my trainings are completely practical oriented. Of course, without theory, we can't do the practical. But I would say like an 80% practical and 20% theory. So that is the way all my sessions could be. And also all my sessions are like not the PPT presentation kind of thing. Like whatever we used to demonstrate, like I used to write the code from from the scratch. I used to write and will write the code from the very beginning level to the advanced level. So this is the way actually I deliver all of my contents. Like in every class notes or class, my agenda should be, so what is my yesterday's topic we discussed. I review like a couple of minutes on that just to revise. And what is today's topic? I spend like 1 hour or 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes. Yeah, that depends based on that. So, and then finally, what should be the next upcoming topic? Also, I used to discuss, that's my daily routine agenda. Okay, so coming to the syllabus, right? Coming to the syllabus, um, as I already mentioned, it is a full stack Java training. Basically, I categorize it into three different sections. One is core Java, advanced Java, right? And finally, we'll discuss about frameworks. So these are the topics I'm going to cover during this 3.5 months course. So core Java, advanced Java, and frameworks, in the sense again in the frameworks, I'll cover like Spring framework, Spring Boot, Hibernate, and finally we'll cover web services. Right? So these are the major topics I'm going to cover. So yeah, I want to share this notes as well, right? So this is the syllabus I'm going to teach. So in the core Java, I'm going to discuss about the Java basics, OOPS concepts, exception handling, Java.lang related components, IO streams, and collections. This is what actually we are going to discuss during core Java. And from advanced Java or intermediate course, whatever it is, both are same. Uh, we'll discuss about the database programming, and then we will discuss about the web applications. So what is web application? How to develop this? What are the different technologies required to create the web application? So as part of that, actually, we'll discuss about what is HTML, JavaScript, CSS. So all that we'll discuss. And followed by, we'll discuss about the Java servlets, Java server pages. So this is what actually we are going to discuss as part of the advanced Java. And then the Spring framework part will come into picture. So as part of that, we'll discuss about what is Spring framework related modules. And yeah, these are the topics, guys. And then we'll discuss about the Spring Boot. What is Spring Boot? Why Spring Boot came into picture, and what is the differences between Spring framework and Spring Boot? So all that we'll discuss. And then Hibernate. And during this session, we are going to discuss about these topics from Hibernate. And finally, web services. Right? So this is the syllabus I'm going to train during this session. Okay. So that's all, guys. So probably let me know any doubts or any questions regarding this. Like probably based on that, I'll move on. Okay. So any questions, guys? Yeah. Thank you all, guys, for attending this demo. And we'll start the classes from tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all for joining eazyguru.com and attending this demo. And thank you all. Have a good day and good night. Thank you all, guys.